Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to call MTN customer care from your mobile phone. So, in order to call MTN customer service due to maybe you recharge and they haven't sent you the airtime, or maybe any other problem you want to complain to the customer care. So, first thing you have to do is open up your phone and you're going to dial 300 and you're going to place the call right here. So once you place the call, they're going to answer. So how do you actually answer them? So first thing, they're going to actually tell you to press, so you have to press 1 for MTN customer service. So once you press 1, the next thing you're going to say is you're going to actually press 1 to continue with the preferred language. If it's English language, you have to press 1, or select 2 for any other language. Then the next one is to press 2 to continue without accepting offer. And after that one, you're going to press 5 for support. Then you can press 0 to speak with a customer care representative. So you must do all the steps I've said before you be able to speak with a customer care representative, that is the customer care of MTN. You understand? So you have to actually take all these procedures in order to speak with them. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.